Welcome to your complete YouTube video editing guide for beginners. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn everything you need to know to edit your first video in Adobe Premiere Pro, from importing your clips to exporting your final masterpiece. Let's get started. First, open Premiere Pro and click New Project. Give your project a name and choose where to save it. This keeps everything organized. Once you're in, you'll see the main workspace. It has 4 key windows. The project panel on the bottom left is where you import and organize your media. The source monitor on the top left is for previewing clips. The timeline on the bottom right is where you'll build your video. And the program monitor on the top right shows you what your final video looks like as you edit. Now, let's bring in your footage. Go to File, then Import, or simply drag and drop your video files into the project panel. To stay organized, right-click in the panel and create a new bin. Think of it as a folder. Name it Footage and move your clips inside. Next, drag your main clip from the project panel onto the timeline. This automatically creates a sequence that matches your video settings. To trim a clip, just drag the edges. To cut a clip, move the playhead to where you want to cut. Select the razor tool and click. Then, switch back to the selection tool to move the pieces around or delete them. Let's add some polish. To add a simple transition, right-click between 2 clips and select Apply Default Transitions. For titles, go to the Graphics workspace. Find the Essential Graphics panel and drag a pre-made title template onto your timeline above your video track. You can customize the text and colors right there. Don't forget, audio. You can adjust the volume of your clips directly on the timeline by dragging the white line up or down. Finally, it's time to export. Go to File, Export, and then Media. In the export settings, choose the H.264 format. For the preset, scroll down and select YouTube 108op Full HD. Click Export, and Premiere Pro will render your video. And that's it. You've just edited your first video in Adobe Premiere Pro.